In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to increase your chances of getting approved on PartnerStack and start earning through affiliate and referral programs. So first, make sure you are on the PartnerStack's website and already create an account. And then ensure you verify your email and complete your profile details. So once you log in, click on the Marketplace tab or the Discover Partnerships. So this is the marketplace here in PartnerStacks. Now, explore the marketplace. So browse through the available programs and then select the ones relevant to your niche, skills, or audience. And then you can check the program's details to understand the requirements and commission structures. Now, once you're done choosing for a programs that you will going to apply, just simply click on the join program or the apply to the network button for the programs you're interested in. So in here, you will see here some questions that they need in terms of applying for programs or for this program. So click next if you are done. Now in here, you'll see an application form accurately and provide essential information. You will need to fill out that, and such as your website or social media links, and then you will need to write a brief information about your business. And then assumingly you are done in filling out this form, just simply click the next button and then wait for their response, and then consider reaching out to the program support team through the contact details provided if you don't receive an immediate response. So, and also politely ask about the status of your application and reiterate your interest in their program for the follow up. So it's important to stay active. So, after getting approved, maintain consistent engagement with the program by actively promoting their products or services. And then make sure you track your performance using the Partner Stack dashboard and optimize your strategies to boost conversions. And that's it. That's how to get approved on Partner Stack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.